I'm not sure. Shit, I'm not sure what I touched there. Anyway, I was saying at 6:47 a.m. this morning, it was just so cold. I mean, I'm sorry, so warm, and I was sweating, and so I took off my ball cap and unzipped my little rain jacket. But buddy, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do this year when it really gets warm, because shit, it's not even really warm yet, and I was like, I can't believe I'm gonna say this. I was so excited for the cold weather to be over, and now I'm thinking, you know, I had better ways to find a sweet spot for comfort with the cold weather. You know, you can put on as many pieces of equipment and layers as you need, but even if you strip down butt naked in the summer, you're not going to be cool enough, and you'll get in a lot of trouble you don't want to be in. Just waving here. Just waving to my drone. This is really exciting. Like I said, let me turn around and look. Oh yeah, that guy. You know, that's what I like about just coming out and doing stuff. You know, I just had a loose battle plan, and shit, for whatever reason, I hit some sequence of buttons just right, because wow, I have never been tracked like this, completely hands off. And so now, wow, got new possibilities going forward. This is very heartening. This is very heartening, you know, to make this kind of progress, because I get wore out so easily, and today is no exception. You know, you look at me, you wouldn't think I walk every single day, virtually. But anyway, yeah, this is so exciting. Oh, and look, there the little fellow is. I keep turning around to check, and it's like, hey, and he's still there. So, all right, so this is what it's like, POV and a drone trace. Where's he at? Son's in my, I don't know if I'm showing him, but he's there. Anyway, let's go back over here to the bench. Go back over here to the bench where I'm set up. And yeah, we'll call this a wrap. We'll call this success. Yes, sir. Goodbye.